The Hear What I Say app is created to enable smooth, multilingual communication, whether during meetings or in face-to-face interactions. It provides useful features to improve your translation experience. This app serves as a fantastic tool for overcoming and bridging language barriers. It allows you to enjoy connecting with people who speak various languages. After downloading the Hear What I Say app, your first step is to sign up and set up an account. This setup requires you to enter your name, email address, create a secure password, and choose your preferred language. Additionally, you will select whether your translated voice will be presented as a man's or a woman's voice during meetings. Your profile can include optional information such as your name, language preference, and uploaded photos. You can also share details about your hobbies, age, ethnicity, occupation, education, marital status, religion, and drinking habits. During meetings, other attendees can view this information, providing an easy way to become familiar with each member in the group. After logging in, you'll need to subscribe to a plan. Options include a free plan or paid plan, such as the basic plan with 120 minutes, the novice plan with 180 minutes, the pro plan with 300 minutes, and the deluxe plan, which provides 600 minutes and supports up to 10 participants. The extreme plan offers 1,200 minutes and allows up to 20 participants. The homepage of the Hear What I Say app has 4 menu choices. 1. Start a meeting. Tap this option, enter a name for your meeting, then select Start Meeting. That's it. You're ready to go. 2. Join a meeting. Tap this if you want to join a meeting someone else has started. You can either scan the QR code or manually enter the meeting code provided by the host. Once you enter the code, you'll be connected, no matter what language you speak. 3. The third option is make a call, and it's a true game changer. Just tap the Make a Call bar, enter the number you want to reach, and hit the green call button. That's it. Your call goes through. Do you want to know the incredible part? You can speak with anyone in the world, and your conversation is automatically translated in real time for both you and the person you're calling. Even more impressive, the person on the other end doesn't need to have the Hear What I Say app installed. It's just like a regular phone call, but with live translation built in. This groundbreaking feature is transforming global communication. 4. There's also a fourth option, the settings menu. I'll explain more about that shortly. Start a meeting or join an existing one by entering a code or scanning a QR code. Name the meeting and select Start Now. In lecture mode, the microphone remains on and displays a red indicator. In conversation mode, the microphone must be tapped to speak and turned off while listening to avoid double translation. Remember, red indicates speaking mode and white indicates listening mode. All participants in the meeting are displayed in the attendees list. It is crucial for the host, the person who started the meeting, to properly end the meeting by leaving it. The plan's minutes will continue to be deducted until the host exits. While attendees can leave at any time, the meeting officially ends only when the host leaves. For companies that share a Hear What I Say app account among multiple members, they can use the Leave Meetings option in the Settings menu to terminate all active meetings. Ensure that the meeting is concluded by leaving it to stop the usage of meeting minutes. Simply closing the phone screen does not end the meeting. Users can change their language at any time by tapping the language displayed in the top right corner of the meeting screen. The host has the ability to switch the meeting mode at any time. There are 3 mode options available at the bottom of the home screen. The first is conversation mode, which allows all participants to speak freely. In this mode, the host can mute individual attendees' microphones to maintain order, particularly in larger meetings. The second option is lecture mode, where only the host is allowed to speak, and all other participants' microphones are disabled. By default, all meetings begin in lecture mode. However, the host can switch between modes at any time during the meeting. The third option is texting mode, which allows all attendees to communicate through text. While this mode can sometimes feel overwhelming, it includes a private messaging feature accessible via the attendees list. This feature enables private one-on-one conversations between participants. All audio and group text messages are recorded in the meeting transcript, but private messages are excluded and never become part of any transcript. Meeting transcripts are automatically generated and capture all audio and text communication, excluding private messages. These transcripts are accessible only to the host and can be converted into PDF files for downloading and printing. Transcripts can be found under the Transcripts menu in the Settings section. Additionally, changing the language in the host profile will automatically update all transcripts to match the selected profile language. On the home screen, a menu icon located in the top left corner leads to the Settings section. This menu provides several options, including the ability to edit your profile and change your language preferences. The Settings screen also displays details about your current plan, such as the remaining minutes and days, as well as the maximum number of participants allowed in your meetings. Additionally, users can subscribe to a different plan directly from this screen. The transcripts option in the settings menu allows users to download or print the transcripts of their meetings. The meeting setup feature enables users to either start a new meeting or schedule one for a later time. The meeting management section provides a list of previously hosted meetings where users can delete a meeting or restart it. Restarting a meeting will display the previous transcript for review and add any new conversations or text to the existing meeting transcript. At the bottom of the settings screen, there are three options displayed in red: leave meetings, log out, and delete account. The leave meetings option allows the user to exit all active meetings, regardless of which device is being used to host or attend them. The log out option logs the user out of the current account, enabling them to log in with a different account. The delete account option is rarely used, as any user can continue using the app's free account even if they decide not to subscribe to a paid plan. The Hear What I Say team hopes you enjoy your new adventure through our translation app.